Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this wait not swipe away just changes everything. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly, I was completely sold. It is an absolute lifesaver because it simply does its job beautifully every single time. The single biggest reason you need this in your life is because it makes your daily routine effortless. It's highly practical, compact, and packed with thoughtful features that actually matter to you. Stop settling for less when you can have the best. This is your ultimate sign to upgrade right this second. Let's be completely honest, finding the perfect gear can be stressful, but this wait not swipe away just changes everything. Wait, do not swipe away just yet. I was honestly a bit skeptical at first, but after seeing that it performs flawlessly,